Now that you have an overview of what our one-stop trading platform can do, let's explore its main areas and features. This will help you get familiarized before we dive deeper into each section. Ready to start? Let's switch to full screen so you can have the full view. In 3, 2, 1. And here I am. Once you access our safety portal, you'll land on the main dashboard. This works as your central hub, providing easy access to all the essential features and information. At the top, you'll find the search bar and some useful information such as current market price and gas prices for the selected chain. We've added a quick link so you can check this information in more detail. On the right, we have quick settings such as light and dark mode selection, favorites, and gas setting that allows you to choose to display the gas fee value in GUI or USD. Right below, you'll find the token description for the contracts you search. This section allows you to quickly identify the icon, name, symbol, chain, and price. To facilitate your usage, we've added buttons for the contract and the pair so you can easily copy them. You can also access the smart contract in more detail by clicking on this button. Last but not least, there are direct links to the socials, white paper, and website. Keep in mind that all of this information is added or updated by the project's developers, so it might not always be available. The presence of this information can be a relevant factor in your analysis. On the left side, we have the AI score, a short dashboard filled with information that showcases the results of our scanning and prediction modules. It's designed for easy reading, ensuring an accurate assessment of the contract you've searched. Green is good, red is bad. This simple principle is applied across the platform, but we will delve into more detail on this section later. Below the AI score, you can find the token info with all the relevant information available for the token you've researched. You can check liquidity, holders, taxes, and other information that will help you better understand the token's status. To make it easy for you to swap the token you've researched, we've added a swap system that allows you to connect your wallet and make a swap. But that's not all. We also give our users the chance to buy crypto with fiat directly on our platform in supported countries. Simply click on Buy Crypto, follow the steps, and purchase your desired cryptocurrency with fiat. In the next section, you can find direct links to our socials and ecosystem. We always recommend using our official links. The Fear and Greed Index will help you understand the overall market sentiment and can be an important indicator to consider in your analysis. In the ads space, you will find projects and partnerships that, like us, are working towards a better crypto space. We've optimized the platform for all devices to provide a better user experience, so some features may be repositioned under menus or quick access buttons according to the device you are using. Now that we have a first overview of all sections, we can deep dive into the main features of our safety platform. Thanks for your time, and I will see you on the next chapter dedicated to the search mechanism.